everyone! Today I'm going to draw and color a super fun dinosaur poppet. Get your colors ready and let's start drawing. Glittyartenglish! First, I start by drawing the front body shape of the dinosaur. Then I add the tail, the back of the body, and the head on top. After that, I draw the spikes along its back. They look cool and sharp. Now I draw the mouth with tiny teeth and two short legs at the bottom. Then I add a few straight lines across the body to create sections for coloring later. I draw one big eye and then fill the entire body with popit circles. Did you know? Dinosaurs lived more than 65 million years ago. Some dinosaurs ate plants, while others hunted animals. The Tyrannosaurus rex, or T-Rex, was one of the most powerful meat-eating dinosaurs. Now it's coloring time. First, I color the eye with glitter black. It looks bold and shiny. Then, I color the head with glitter red. It's bright and full of energy. For the second section, I use glitter yellow. It really pops. Next, I color the third section with glitter green. This gives it a fresh and lively look. After that, I color the fourth section with glitter sky blue. Finally, I color the last part, including the tail and two legs, with glitter purple. It looks magical. Our dinosaur pop. It is finished. It's colorful and full of sparkle. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun art. See you in the next one. Bye!